Hi there, U.S. government students. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 10, and um, it will be the spookiest week of your year, I'm sure, certainly this semester. We do have kind of a fun end of October. We call it an assignment. It's not worth extra credit or points, just something fun if you want to participate. Don't have to participate if you don't want. But we are talking about privacy. We're going to be looking at a Supreme Court case, Mapp versus Ohio, and then you will have some notes to turn in off a video and some reading, and then a discussion board also off that same video and some reading. So also, as you come into class on Tuesday, as this opens up, you're watching this video and setting up your schedule for the week, please go in and check your grade book on a couple of, make sure you are doing that to at least a couple of times a week to make sure that you're keeping up with what's been turned in, what hasn't. I posted a video a couple of weeks ago that kind of takes you through all of how to read the grade book and interpret it and everything. That's about 3 or 4 weeks back in your updates if you want to go back and check that out, but certainly use the suggested schedule here and everything. Okay. Make sure the discussion, you are creating leveled questions. Again, go back a couple of weeks to see when we did leveled questions before, but you are creating the question. And on this, please make sure that you are replying to people who don't have replies yet before, like everyone replies to the same people, answers the same questions. Reply to somebody new, please. Just make sure you read all the directions. I really suggest right before you hit submit on any assignment is to take the time to go back and reread the directions. Make sure you did everything before you hit send. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Hope you enjoyed your snow day, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.